welcome to the third example to the study of Newton's law of gravitation. So example goes below. The gravitational force between two objects of mass 6, 10 to the power 24 kilogram and 10 to the power 27 kilogram is 6.6 Newton, full stop. Calculate the distance between them. Option A, 1.0 times 10 to the power 19 meters. Option B, 1.0 times 10 to the power minus 19 meters. Option C, 1.0 times 10 to the power 20. Option D, 1.0 times 10 to the power minus 2. How do you solve this question, please? It's as easy as the task say is find the distance, and we said distance in this topic here is just your r, right? I established that r is your distance, so we have to find r in this question here. So very first task, let's list out given parameters, please. So given first task there, I'm given m1 as 10 to the power 24 kilogram. M2 is of course 10 to the power 27 kilogram, right? Is 6.6 Newton. That's your force. 6.6 Newton. I'm asked to find r. So distance r is unknown. It's easy as recalling your universal or the formula to Newton's law of gravitation, that F equal to G m1 m2 over r squared. Of course, I'm asked to find r. It's most likely I make r subject of formula. Not even most likely. I have to make r the subject of formula. Why? Because I'm asked to find distance, that's r. From here, just do a swapping, as easy as just swap. I'll have that r squared is equal to g m1 m2 over f. Observe, this man goes here, this one comes here. This is swapping, that's all, right? From here, r squared is equal to g is constant, that's 6.67 times 10 to the power minus 11 m1 m2. m1 is of course 10 to the power 24, m2 10 to the power 27. All right, all over f. What's your f there? 6.6. 6.6. All right, from here now, r squared. All right, from here, r squared should be equal to multiply 6.67 in bracket 6.67 times 10 to the power minus 11. All right, minus 11, right, multiply by 10 to the power 24, right? So multiply by 10 to the power 27. All right, my answer for numerator, sorry, this part here should give me about 6.67 times 10 to the power 40. So all over 6.6 divided to r squared is equal to 6.67 times 40 divided by 6.6. I have about 1.0106061 times 10 to the power 40. So I'm asked to find distance, just ordinary r. I'm not asked to find r square. To eliminate the square, I'll take the square root of both sides. So take upper half, taking the square root of both sides. What do I get there? Square root of r squared equal to square root of the answer there. Excuse me. That's a 1.010606001 times 10 to the power 40. Of course, square cancel out square root. I'm left with just r. So r should be equal to the square root of answer. So I have 1.005 times 10 to the power 20. Radius, sorry, this r is not radius, please, is your distance, and it's measured in what? In meters. Meters. This I solve this particular problem. This I solve this question, please. All right. This I solve this particular problem. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Share to your friends and classmates so they can learn too. Do well to join my channel membership, right? You joining is a process of you assisting. So do well to join my channel membership. So please do well to join. All right. Also, if you're interested in more tutorial videos like this, I have close to 200 plus 250 plus video that teaches mathematics, physics and chemistry, and other science courses. To get the videos, use my website at www.dynamically.com. My website there, you'll see different videos for sciences. You can purchase the one of your choice, and then you can have access to a full lifetime access to those tutorial courses. All right, see you in the next video. If you're interested in donating towards the cost of contribution towards the impact we make to the world, just no amount is small, right? You can send me a WhatsApp message, WhatsApp number there, and I'll get back to you as fast as I can. All right, see you in our next class. Thank you and welcome to Excellence Link Academy. Stay tuned. See you next class. All right.